In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect VPN in NordVPN. By the end, you'll know exactly how to secure your internet traffic in a couple of clicks and how to choose a specific country when you need one. I'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along without pausing. First, go to NordVPN. That means opening the NordVPN app on your computer or mobile device so you're looking at the main dashboard. If you're new to the interface, don't worry. Everything you need is right on the home screen, and it's designed to get you connected quickly. Next, look to the left side of the app for the globe icon. This icon represents the VPN section. Click it to bring up the connection controls. Think of this panel as your command center. It's where you can connect instantly or dive into all the available locations if you want more control over where your connection appears to come from. Now, click Secure My Connection. This is NordVPN's one-click way to get you online safely. The app will automatically select a recommended server based on factors like distance and current server load, then establish an encrypted tunnel. Within a few seconds, you should see a connected status and a visual indicator that your traffic is now protected. This option is perfect when you just want fast, private browsing without choosing a specific region. If you do want to pick a region, click All Locations. This brings up the full list of countries supported by NordVPN. You'll see them organized for easy browsing. This view is great when you need your connection to appear from a particular place, whether you're aiming for lower latency by choosing something nearby, or you need a certain country for region-specific content and services. Finally, choose a country and click on it. The app will switch your connection to a server in that country and confirm once you're connected. Some countries may also offer multiple city options. Selecting the country is enough for most needs, and the app will handle the rest. If speed is your priority, picking a location closer to you usually gives you better performance. If access to a specific region is the goal, select the country that matches what you need. That's all there is to it. Open NordVPN, use the globe icon to access the VPN controls, connect with Secure My Connection for a quick setup, or go to all locations to choose exactly where you want to connect. Thanks for watching and enjoy a safer, more private online experience.